Dialogue. This dialogue is between a woman, Laura, and a social worker, Julia. Laura is seeking information about government assistance for her elderly mother. The dialogue begins now.
Good afternoon, my name is Julia, and I'm a social worker here at the community center. How can I assist you today?
Bonjour Julia. Ma mère a 75 ans et elle ne peut plus travailler. Je voudrais savoir si elle peut avoir droit à une aide du gouvernement.
I see. We offer several types of government assistance for elderly people, including pensions and health support. Is your mother currently receiving any benefits?
Non, elle ne reçoit aucune aide. Elle a vécu longtemps à l'étranger et elle ne sait pas comment demander ces aides ici en Australie.
That's no problem. We can help you with the application process. Does she have residency status, and has she lived in Australia for at least 10 years?
Hey, if you are enjoying this content and would like to see more and support my channel, please hit the subscribe button.
Oui, elle a la résidence permanente et elle est ici depuis plus de 15 ans. Mais elle n'a jamais demandé d'aide avant.
Great. Then she's likely eligible for the age pension. This covers basic living expenses. Does she also need support with medical costs?
Oui. Les médicaments coûtent super cher. Ça lui ferait vraiment du bien d'avoir un coup de pouce pour ces frais-là.
In that case, we can also apply for a healthcare card. This will reduce the cost of her medications and other medical services. Do you have her identification documents with you?
J'ai son passeport et sa carte de résident avec moi. Ça ira?
Yes, that's perfect. We'll need to fill out a form and submit those documents. Once approved, your mother will receive her benefits monthly.
Quel soulagement! Je suis sûre que ça va vraiment aider ma mère. Merci beaucoup pour ton temps, Julia.